Hi everyone, welcome back. In our previous video, we talked about benefit plans and coverage options, what employees actually select during enrollment. Today, we'll move one step further and talk about dependents and beneficiaries in Workday, the people connected to your benefit plans. These are essential for ensuring the right individuals are covered and protected under each employee benefits. What are dependents and beneficiaries? Dependents are individuals who can be covered under an employee's benefit plans, such as medical or dental. For example, spouse, children, domestic partner, adopted child. Beneficiaries are individuals or organizations that will receive benefits or payouts, life like life insurance or retirement, if something happens to the employee. For example, spouse, parent, child, or even a charity. Key point is that dependents are about coverage while beneficiaries are about payouts. When can dependents and beneficiaries be added? Employees can add or update dependents and beneficiaries during new hire enrollment, open enrollment periods, life events like marriage, birth, adoption, and divorce. Each time a qualifying event occurs, Workday prompts the employee to review or update dependent and beneficiary details before submitting elections. Adding dependents in Workday. Employees go to benefits, add dependent. They enter details like name, date of birth, relationship, and contact info. Dependents can be linked to eligible plans like medical, dental, or vision. For example, an employee adds their newborn child as a dependent and updates their coverage from employee plus spouse to family, adding beneficiary in Workday. Employees can add individuals or organizations as beneficiaries. For each plan, like life insurance, they assign allocation percentages like 60% to spouse and 40% to child. Workday automatically calculates and validates total allocations to equal 100%. And for example, an employee selects their spouse as a primary beneficiary for life insurance and their child as a secondary beneficiary. How dependents and beneficiaries work in Workday. Employee starts a benefits enrollment or life event, adds dependents and beneficiaries, links them to applicable benefit plans, submit elections, routed to HR for approval if needed. The information syncs to payroll and external benefit providers. This ensures all updates are tracked, secure, and compliant. What are the benefits of managing dependents and beneficiaries in Workday? Keeps all records centralized and up to date, automates updates during life events, ensures compliance and accuracy for insurance and tax purposes. It improves reporting for HR and benefits teams. For example, if we take a scenario, let's say an employee gets married. They trigger a change life event in Workday, add their spouse as a dependent, and updates their medical plan to include them. They also assign their spouse as the primary beneficiary for their life insurance plan. After submission, HR reviews and approves, and Workday automatically updates all linked records, plans, and payroll data. Let's understand this by a simple flow diagram. This is the employee. Let's write it down. Employee. That's one. And second is the add dependents or beneficiaries. Add dependents or beneficiaries. And next comes link to benefit plans. This is linked to benefit plans. And next comes this is submit elections. And next comes HR payroll integration. HR payroll integration. Here is how it works. The employee adds dependents, and then they can easily like sell. It is like self service. These individuals are then seamlessly linked to benefit plans, and then ensuring proper coverage. After making all necessary choices, the employee submits elections. Workday then intelligently routes these updates for HR and payroll integration, keeping all records synchronized, accurate, and compliant across the system. This is the dependent and beneficiary management in Workday. Let's see what are the interview questions on this topic. What is the difference between a dependent and a beneficiary in Workday? Dependents are covered under benefit plans, while beneficiaries receive payouts, for example, life insurance. When can employees add or update dependents and beneficiaries? During new hire enrollment, open enrollment, or qualifying events like marriage or birth. Can the same person be both a dependent and a beneficiary? Yes, for example, a spouse may be added as both a dependent for health coverage and a beneficiary for life insurance. How does Workday ensure beneficiary data accuracy? Through validation of allocation percentages and HR approval workflows. And to summarize this, dependents and beneficiaries in a workday ensures that the right people are covered under each employee's benefits plans, and the benefit payouts go to the correct individuals. In the next video, we'll explore benefit event processing in workday, where all these pieces come together during new hire, open enrollment, or life change events. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe for more content.